I'm gonna bend like a river so I don't break. I'm gonna flow through the dams of my mistakes. I'm gonna jump into the water till I'm awake. I'm gonna run to the arms of your embrace. Hey, my beloved Bend community, I'm so excited to gather with you December 21st for our winter solstice concert. I can't believe that it's been a year since I've been out that way. I'm also super excited to announce that the song Bend will be released before the concert, and I'm excited to sing that together and dance and celebrate the darkness and the light that our love puts out in the world. We're gonna bend like a river, yeah. We're gonna bend together, yeah. We're gonna bend like a river, yeah. We're gonna bend together.